Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $48.35, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, a red candle is forming, okay, for this particular week. Why? Because there is a continuous upside, and if you look at these trends, what we have seen, the price of silver was moving in a zone, and whenever there is a zone breakout or whenever it makes a high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, and if you look at the silver price, gold price, what we have seen, the similar pattern is being formed. As we have seen, the gold is accumulated by China and continuously physical gold. There is a probability that we can see there can be a rise if the price keep moving above this level what is trading now. There is a higher chances of further upside. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, and if the price moving above this level, probability of going towards 51.3 can be seen, which is a support resistance too, and then a further high. But if the price keep falling below this level, probability of going below a level of 47.5 can be there, and this 47.5 is already weak, so we can see the price can move further low. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, $34.8 is a strong level, and a level of around $39.2 is a strong level. Okay, and the price was continuously upside. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, probability is very high, it can touch a level of $51.18. If the price bounce back from this level, and chances are there, if it started forming a green candle, we can see it can touch a level of 51.18, that is a resistance 1, and if the price moving above that particular level, the resistance 2 is coming at a level of $51.3. And if the price moving above a level of around after 48, see, it is trading around a level of 48.6, which is very close to its support. Okay, if it bounce back, remember before this is the resistance 2, the close support is coming at a level of around 48.13. so if the price bounce back from this level, because the price is trading above this level, which is a support 1, if it bounce back from this level, the first resistance we can see is $51.18, and if the price moving over this level, probability of crossing after 51.18, we can see a level of 52.7, which is a resistance 2. And suppose if the price moving above that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards $54.3, which is half this particular level. And if the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen. Remember, as soon as the price touches this particular high, which is an all-time high around 54.5, a further high can be seen. Okay, so keep trailing your SL by 0.5 so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, if the price sustain above 54.5, but if the price started falling below this level, chances are very high it can move below a level of 47.3, which is already weak, and the price can touch a level of around $46.6. Suppose if the price falling below 46.6, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of $45.9, and if the price falling below 45.9, a further downfall can be seen towards 42.9, and then a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you